So we're going to have a look at the Fusion Splicer. Top box contains the splicer only, and the side box over here contains the tools. And in here you will find the cleaver. And there's a couple of screws over here to secure the trash box. These are spare electrodes. These are little tools, and we're going to use this to secure the box. And you have this power supply for charging the unit. This here is a little USB light if you want to use it. And key for locking the box. Showing the spare electrodes. This here is for containing the alcohol. This is for cleaning fibers, cleaving and cutting. This little drawer is for putting the cleaver so it's a better height to work with. Alright, here we're going to use the bare fiber for calibrating the electrodes. It's just a standard fiber, and there's no cladding or anything on it. Just going to perform the cut. You put it in the smallest groove. It's important that the fiber reaches both pads. And you push the blade back, close, and cut. See, you have your little fiber over here. Just put that in the trash. Turn this on. This is the welcome screen, which explains to you need to download the app Signal Fire 2, and this is your USB device number. Okay, and we're going to discharge correction. Oh, first, sorry, you gotta connect the device. And then discharge correction. So when you're in this mode, you'll be calibrating the electrode.
Please place the fiber and close windshield cover.
So we're gonna line up the fiber so it's equally distant, but close to the electrodes, but not past or in the center. And we close this side. Now we're gonna cleave the other end. And now we put this on the other side. As such, And all we have to do now is close the cover.
Pre-discharging. Please wait.
It's lining up the
Fiber is
fibers.
focused. Fiber is moving. Our calibration in process. Please wait. Our calibration succeed. Please restart the machine.
So now it's telling us that this calibration is complete. So that's the only reason you need to have this application on your phone, is to change the fiber type and the discharge corrections and so on. But once this is completed, you don't need your phone anymore. Now we're gonna power this up again, and we're going to try and go for a fusion splice. We need to cut it again since it's been fused. It needs to have a clean cut. Can you go in close to show how it's lined up? There we go, that's good. And there you go. It gives us a reading 0.00 dB loss, which basically this is a perfect splice. The machine is now calibrated, and you can just keep on using it calibrated like this until such time that your fusion is not working properly. And it says for the tip you have 2,099 worth of splices, so it's roughly 3,000 splices per tip.